Hi there. Thanks for stopping by Whimsical Creations. Sorry I've been MIA. I started a project in my yard and it just snowballed. But I'm back. Spring comes, then I'll finish. But I'm working with a 30-ounce skinny straight tumbler from Hog, and I'm using this vinyl I purchased from Butterfly Lane Designs, which I'll list and link all the materials I use in the description box below. The template I made myself, I went on Creative Fabrica and I found a brushstroke pattern and I made it into an SVG, and I measured the width of my tumbler and the height, and then I decided how much glitter I wanted to show, and that's how I decided on the height of the template. So I loaded the vinyl into my Cricut, and I covered the vinyl with contact paper, a trick I learned from Trina and Diamonds and Dust. And I applied the contact paper, and then once it was done cutting, I put the transfer tape on and I put it on my tumbler. Now, once I pulled the transfer tape off, I made sure I lift up and I do not um, keep the contact paper on top of the vinyl. You want to make sure that it's on top of one another. And then I will go ahead and pull off the contact paper once I've glittered, which you're going to see me doing here. But I went ahead and I used this pretty glitter from Sandy's Organized Chaos. It's called Patriots, and I'll list it in the description box. I think it was a 4th of July glitter, but it looks so pretty against this vinyl that I have, and I apologize for being out of focus. But I'm pulling this off, and you can see how crisp the lines are. It's just, I love when I use the contact paper, and I can be as sloppy as I want with the glue. Unfortunately, I missed taping and putting the glitter on, and you can see I had a little piece of that contact paper. But I'm going to go along and I'm going to see if I have any bald spots, and then I'm going to pat the glitter down, and then I'm going to seal it with some Crystal-Lac glitter glue 50-50 mixed with water. And once that dries, I'm going to put it on my tumbler turner and put some Flynn Sisters Facet Epoxy on. I think this only took 2 coats, and I didn't have to put any striping on or anything. And it was a quick design, and I like the way it looks with the template I made from Creative Fabrica. And here it is, all complete. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and thanks for stopping by. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.